Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy easy recipe for today is Ginataang Bilo-Bilo or glutinous rice balls in coconut milk. Ginataang Bilo-Bilo is a popular Filipino afternoon snacks or dessert made with glutinous rice balls, plantain bananas or saba, sweet potatoes and langka, and nowadays they're also putting tapioca pearls. My recipe, I added ubi flavoring for some bilo-bilo or glutinous rice balls. Let's start by putting water in a pot and allow to boil. While waiting the water to boil, let's make glutinous rice balls. Gradually put water to the glutinous rice flour until form a dough. Then make or form a small balls. Back to the pot, now the water is boiling. Add the sweet potatoes and plantain bananas or saba. I also added juice from the jackfruit for adding flavoring. Then add the jackfruit. Allow all the ingredients to cook well before putting the coconut milk to prevent from discoloration. I already added the coconut milk, and for adding good aroma to the ginataan, I put pandan leaves. Let's make ubi balls. I'm adding few drops of ubi flavorings the remaining glutinous rice dough. If you want more vibrant purple, just add more ubi flavorings as you like. Then form a small purple balls. Let's check the pot. Now the sweet potato is already soft. I stir and allow to simmer before adding all the balls. Set the fire in a medium heat to prevent from overflowing. Now the ginataan is boiling again. I drop all the glutinous rice balls. By the way, I removed the pandan leaves. Constantly stir the ginataan to prevent the glutinous balls to stick on the bottom. I add the sugar enough to sweeten the ginataan or soup. I suggest to serve the ginataan with sugar. Then lastly, I add the coconut cream to make the soup more creamy. I prepared glutinous rice flour dissolved in water to thicken the ginataan. This is an optional step if it's needed. noticed the soup is too thin, so I added my slurry sticky flour to thicken the soup. When the sticky balls is floating, we already cooked. Let me taste. Let's eat. It's good. Thanks for watching! Happy Sunday!